Hi, if you want to turn on Always On Display on the Samsung Galaxy S25, then open Settings on the phone. From here, scroll down to find the step lock screen and AOD. AOD stands for Always On Display. And after that, simply find it in this list. Now we can tap it. And if you can see the status on, then AOD is enabled. To disable, just tap on the switcher so you'll see the status off. And once enabled, you can also enable to show lock screen wallpaper as your always on display, or you can disable it so you'll see only this black screen and time. Also, you can enable to show now bar, basically all of the news, recent news, and choose when to show. When tapping, automatically, always as scheduled, or for new notifications. And now, let's just take a look at the AOD. For that, I'm gonna lock my phone. And here it is. Also, from Always On Display, you can unlock your phone with the help of fingerprint, just like that. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.